Endless Bounty begins with a simple promise. You don't need endless land, time, or money. You need a system. The book shows how to produce food in small spaces, starting with one manageable bed and one workable routine. It introduces French-intensive methods, translated into modern backyards: beds, aisles, structures, and timed successions. At the center is the seedling factory, keeping the garden alive with timed successions, ready to replace crops continuously. Once seedlings are ready, the book teaches season extension, row covers, cold frames, and simple structures that keep harvests coming. The book teaches systems thinking, planning, composting, pest strategies, and economics beyond the garden itself. It's about becoming a food producer, building a productive system for family, independence, and suburban abundance. Keeps fresh vegetables coming, scales to your space and budget, fits a busy life, builds self-reliance, extends the harvest season, creates surplus to sell, trade, or share. Endless Bounty is available now on Amazon.